Hi, my name is Michelle Thomas, and this is my EDL 850 Module 1 introduction video. So a little bit about myself. This is my third year teaching kindergarten at Willowville Elementary in Cincinnati, Ohio. It's actually the school district where I went to school myself. So I love being able to give back to a community that gave me so much. Like I said, this is my third year there. I graduated from The Ohio State University with a degree in early childhood education, and now I'm working on my master's here at Fort Hays State University. I also am an assistant cross-country coach at the high school in our school district. Since it's the school district where I went to school, it's awesome since I ran there to be able to give back to the kids in that way as well, not only through education. I recently got married this summer, and my husband and I, you can see in the corner, we have a golden doodle puppy, and his name is Toby, and we love to spend all of our free time with him. A critical reflection on how I feel my principal does communicating federal and state laws and just policies in general with us. I feel in general that she does a great job. We have staff meetings at the beginning of the year just to kind of go over, refresh, and review everything that we're going to be doing that year. This review will also include information regarding state and federal laws that we need to be aware of. Each teacher is also given the student handbook. We have it in a little red binder as teachers that you can refer to if you ever have a question about a policy or something that's happened in your classroom. You need to know what needs to be done. My principal's also great. We go to IEP meetings as a team, and she's just wonderful at working on the brainstorming process too with us about how students are doing, and we problem solve, what else can we be doing to help that child even more be successful in the classroom. We also have something called the Google Binder, and this includes all of our information that we would need to know, and it also includes some of those state and federal laws that she needs to inform us of as well. We also do something at our school, and it's called the Bully Prevention Program, and each month it has like kind of a theme of what that month is about. So like this past month was for October is respect, and so we center some of our lessons and some of our read around respect and how to be respectful in a classroom, how to be respectful to others, your peers, and teachers. And so it's just a great way to kind of come together as a school and all know that for the month of October, that's kind of the bully prevention program that we're focusing on. A critique of my personal knowledge. So I feel like I'm pretty knowledgeable when it comes to keeping students safe in my classroom. I know the normal tornado, fire, lockdown drills, how to help students stay safe in the classroom, what they should and shouldn't be doing. I've also been trained to be a part of our crisis intervention team. And so in our school district, it's just if a child needs help calming down, they have just kind of started to spiral a little bit too far out of control. This team will be called, there's one teacher from each grade level, and I attended the trainings for that for my grade level. I do feel like though as much as our principal does have minimal knowledge on federal and state laws, just in general, I feel like I've never really been able to dive deep into those and really learn more about what all those about to become like an expert or just more knowledgeable in general on those topics. I do feel like I had said earlier, though, that I'm pretty knowledgeable about our school policies. This is my third year teaching at Willowville Elementary. And so usually I know what to do now, or if I don't know, I always make sure to ask my mentor teacher or another teacher who I feel like will be able to help me in the situation. So my plan moving forward is, as I continue this class, I would love to learn more about federal and state laws. You're really diving into those and getting more in depth, and just continuing to ask questions and become more aware of these policies. Continuing to review and refer to the student handbook whenever I don't know how to handle a situation. I also think it would be great to attend a board meeting. I know we have those regularly, but I think it would be great to be a part of one and just kind of know more what is going on at those, and just continuing to attend trainings that will help my knowledge grow on this topic. So yeah, thank you so much, and I look forward to learning with all of you. Bye.